Hey everybody, quick video today on the 1099 form and how it's going to be changing for 2020. So this hasn't really made a whole lot of news, and it's not a huge deal, but it's just anytime there's any kind of form changes, people tend to get uh, fussy. Let's say, it's unfamiliar, and everybody wants to know what's going on, which is fair. So if you got 1099 miscellaneouses in the past, you might not be getting one for 2020 because so in past years, 2019 and prior, 1099 income was reported by a payer to a payee and to the IRS and state agencies for money that has been paid for various categories. There was rents, royalties, other income, federal income tax withheld, fishing boat proceeds, medical and healthcare payments, non-employee compensation, substitute payments in lieu of dividends. There's a checkbox for box 9 if you made more than $5,000 of more customer purchased inventory for like network marketing kind of things, crop insurance proceeds, and so forth. So the vast majority of people who get a 1099 miscellaneous use box 7, non-employee compensation. Sometimes, if you're in the medical field, you'll get like in box 6. If you're a lawyer, you might get box 14. If you get a 1099 from a real estate management company, who's managing property on your behalf, you might get box 1. Box 2 is royalties. Not too many people get royalties. Other income could be lots of things, but I guess the most common one is gambling on native reservations. But far and away, box 7 non-employee compensation is the most commonly used reason for this form. So if you look at the 2020 1099 miscellaneous, that's gone. Box 7 is now the payer made direct sales of $5,000 or more of consumer products to a buyer recipient for resale. And that's because there's this new form, the 1099 NEC, which is just for non-employee compensation. So basically, they took box 7 from 2019 and stuck it in this form that has non-employee compensation and federal income tax withheld. And of course, who's paying, who received, taxpayer identification numbers for each, and addresses and all that kind of stuff. So if you got those 1099s before, just be on the lookout for this new form. And if you are getting a 1099 miscellaneous for 2020, then you're in one of these other categories. So this form is going to be used way less than was in the past, and now we're going to be seeing a lot more of these 1099 NEC. So just an update, just to let you know. So when you start getting those forms in January, maybe into February, don't panic. So that's it for this time.